Hi, this is Vijay Krishna. Today we are discussing about data types. First of all, data types. Already you have knowledge on data types in C language. See, data types represents type of the data. Type of the data. For suppose, if you want to declare any numeric data types, we declare int or long or any float, double kind of things. These are called integer data types. To declare number type of values, we are using this kind of things. Next, for suppose if you want to declare char string type of data types, we are using these things. If you declare any names, such kind of things, we are using string and char data type things. Now we are discussing one by one. See, data types represents type of the data. See here, these are categorized into generally two types. First one, value types, and second one, reference types. See here, generally value type means we are giving a equal to 10. See, directly a value giving to the a 10 value giving to the a, so this is a value type. Reference type means those a value we are assigning to the another variable. In this situation, a is the reference. So this situation, a value is 10, b value is also 10, but b value we are directly not assigning the value. Through a we are assigning that value. That means here a is the reference. So this is the reference type here. So these kind of things, reference types. So here directly we are assigning the value, these kind of things, value types. So our data types also categorized value types and reference types. See, here comes under value types integer, short int, next long, next float, double, and decimal, and char, and bool. These are all comes under value types. See, in reference types comes under their string is one data type, and next one object is another one. See, we will see the difference one by one. First of all, everyone having a some size is there. For suppose generally system takes zeros and one combination. In system, 1 bit means it will take it as one digit. In that one digit, either it will takes 0 or 1. See, 8 bits means it is equal to 1 byte. See, 1 byte. That means 2 bytes is equal to 16 bits. So here our short int size is 2 bytes. Your short int size is 2 bytes. See here long int size, integer size is 4 bytes. That means this is equal to 32 bits. Here long int size is long int size is 8 bytes. Here comes under float size is equal to 4 bytes. 4 bytes. See here double size is 8 bytes. Next decimal size is 16 bytes. Next comes under here. Next character size is 2 bytes. In C# it is having 2 bytes. Next bool value is bool means either it returns true or false. True means it will take it as 1, false means it take it as a 0. Bool either 0 or 1s. So if you place any 0 or 1, we need 1 bit is enough. See here integer size is unlimited. Comes here object size is also a unlimited. There is no restriction for size. So see, these three are declaring numeric data types. For example, see here example. Okay, the short int or int, long, all are declared numeric values and without decimal points. Here these kind of things it is not accepted. It is accepted only 10. So without decimal points it is accepted. So these are numeric data types without decimal points. These are accepted. This kind of data, this type of data, these three are accepted. Next, what is the difference between three? Size is different. If you want to give more number of size, for suppose if you want to give any bank balance in the lakhs or employee salaries in the lakhs, see in that situation integer is not suitable. Long 8 bytes is suitable. Next, where comes under here float and double decimal. These are also giving numeric data types, but these are giving floating values type of the data, like floating or decimal or double kind of things. These are called decimal point, okay, or floating point. Okay, this kind of data you can define these three. So what is the difference between three? Size is the difference, but purpose is same. Okay, if you want to give more number of big value, okay, comparing to float, you are using double. If you want to give more value on double, you are using decimal. So float, double, decimal, we are declaring number type of the data with decimal points. Numeric these three are we are declaring numeric data type data without decimal points. So see here character data type things we are declaring single character like these kind of things. See here. So here already you know this is called as a variable. Okay, variable we declared as a like this. Okay, data type space variable name is equal to value. This is the variable syntax already you know. Okay, so this variable stores this value. Okay, the type of the data we declared here by using data types. So now we see practically these all things, how to declare object and string. We will see practically here. Open Visual Studio. In the Visual Studio, open console application file, new, project, select language Visual C Sharp, and here you select the your own framework, your wish, and then select the console application, then give the suitable name for the application. See here I give application name data types, then click OK. See here this will be open another console application. So in program.cs I declare data types here, int a equal to 10. These are used, these kind of data. Next, short int also used like this, short. Okay, b equal to 20. Next, long c equal to 30. These are declared all are number data types without decimal points. For suppose if you give any decimal points, it will show error. It is not accepted those decimal points. See here, for suppose I give more value here. See, it shows error. Why? Because that size is not accepting this much of data. See, I delete all these things. Now it is accepted. So it will accepting some range of data. So see here, short int capacity is very less. It will show error. So now it is accepted. Long int is having more size comparing to all those things. If you give any length of the data, see, it will be accepting 8 bytes. So see, comparing to short, integer is more. Okay, comparing to int, long int is more big. So if you want to display those things, console dot write line. Okay, here see here a equal to, here we are using concatenation symbol. Already you know a. Next, plus again I concatenation these things, or I will give you another way. See, next, Control C, Control V, and display all these things B, and giving C and B and C. Console dot finally read key, console dot read key. Okay, if you execute this program, press start button. Okay, this is the output here. So A, B, C. Next, see here, I want to declare floating values. See, I change the name here, float. Float you can give, for suppose here I declared as a double, and here I declared as a decimal. See, if you give number data types without decimal points, these floating values are accepted. Okay, for suppose integer or long data types, if you give floating and these kind of decimal point kind of things, if you assigning, it will show error, but these are accepted with decimal points and without decimal points also. So by default, after decimal point it will take it as a zeros. See here, for suppose, see here, executed, this will be executed as it is. See, I will give any decimal point here, dot 13. See, it will show error. Why? Because if you give any decimal value to the, if you give any floating value to the variable, if you place F here, now it is accepted. Next, for the double, see, if you give any decimal point here, see, it is accepted. Here you give D, without D also it is accepted. For suppose I take one more variable here, here I take it as B1 equal to, give some other value dot 23. So see, it is accepted with D or without D. So for the double there is no restriction for this. So decimal C. Now here also I declared some floating value. See, it will show error. Decimal expecting M at the end of the value. Floating expecting F. Okay, decimal expecting M. Double D expected or not. Okay, if you give or don't give for this, no problem. So here also I display those things, plus /n for the next line. Okay, B1 equal to, close this bracket and give plus B, plus B1. Now save this program and execute this program. Now see, these are the values and display here. Next, now I will show how to declare a character type of the data. See here, I declare one char here, char ch. See, char always you give within the single quote, otherwise it doesn't accepted. See here, char is, here you give ch. Now see, char is accepted within the single quotes, any type of the data. See here, execute this one, char. Now see here, if I give within the single quotes any other thing, so it will show error. See here, okay, represents a character as UTF-5 16 code unit. So it accepting only single character. So now it is okay. For suppose if you give any star, it is accepted. Okay, it is considered as a character. For suppose if you give any number, this is also considered as a character. It is also considered as a character. See here, for suppose if I give, see, this one is enough. Next, how to declare a string and object type of the data. String and object data type the data. See, before that one I will give bool. Bool is written for give B. Okay, give anything true. Now here I change it as this one, bool. Here I give B. Now save this one, Control S, execute this one, bool is true. Okay, if you give false, bool is false. So it will return true or false. It will return true or false. Next thing. Next, how to declare a string type. See here, string. String, take it as some s equal to string. Always within the double quotes you can give any type of name. Okay, it is accepted. If you give any type of name, it is accepted. See here, the s is plus s. See, save this one, execute this one. Okay, next, for suppose I give one more variable s1, see, comma s2 equal to give any other name. Okay, close this one and take some s3, and here you display the s3. Display the s3. Save this one. Okay, here doesn't give anything. s3 equal to s1 plus s2. Now save this one, then execute this one. Okay, this is Vijay Krishna. So for suppose if you give any value 10 plus 20, see, it will show the output Vijay Krishna 10 20. Here, why? Because here plus is the concatenation symbol. See here plus is the concatenation symbol. Already you observe this one, this is the string. See, s3 is the another string, both are concatenated. Same thing here, s1 and s2 also concatenated with the plus symbol. So this s1 plus s2 Vijay Krishna. Next here I give the name 10. Okay, name equal to 10. So Vijay Krishna 10 will be added, this one. Next 20 will be added. So here because of plus is the concatenation symbol. So if you separated with this, now it is executed. See, 30. It will display 30. Next, for suppose I give 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus here. So now see here what happening. If you adding string before, those will be added. Why? Because first 10 will be adding to the 20, next this 30 will be adding this to this 30, overall 60, then s1 is added, then s2 is added, then this value is will be added. If we adding later, adding anything to the string, that will be considered as a string. Okay, for suppose I will give here s1 plus s2. For suppose here I give 1 2 3. Here I give 1 2 3. See, this will be considered as a string only. 1 2 3 1 2 3. See, string will be all added side by side, concatenated always. Okay, these are not possible to add the two values. So now see here, this is the string. Now based upon this, I will give you one example on integers and some arithmetic operations I perform. See here, I take one int a equal to 10, okay, or 20, and b equal to 20. See here, console dot write line. The sum is the string, already you know. Now we okay, here I give plus a and plus b. See, this will be displayed 10 plus 20 plus, okay, semicolon I forgot, okay, 10. So it will display the sum is 2010. The sum is 2010. Already you know, okay. String, if you are adding anything to the string, that will be considered as a string. See, I will give you one more example. So in this situation, you are separated with this. Okay. Now it is okay. I execute this one. Now the sum is 30. So based upon this one, I give minus. Now it will display as it is. Here I give something value. Okay. Here I perform a subtraction. See, it will perform subtraction. The value is 10. See, in this situation, I eliminating this one. It will show error. Why? Because first of all, the values a 10 will be added to this one added to this one. So these are entire thing considered as a string. Okay, in the string string is nothing but a name. Okay, in the name it doesn't eliminate the value. It doesn't or removing the value. So it will show error. So for suppose I give star. Now what is the output? See here, 200. It will be multiplied. Why? Because if you comparing to, you know, BODMAS, if you comparing with to plus and star, priority always giving to the star. Okay, plus and minus having equal priority. So comparing to plus and star, priority will be always giving to the star. For suppose same thing divided by. Okay, in this situation, okay, divided by giving more priority. See, divided by is done. So plus and minus having equal priority, and multiplication and division having comparing to those situation, if you which one comes first, that will be giving first priority. Okay, comparing to star and division, okay, first one, for suppose star will come first and division come next. I will show practically here. Star 2. So first in this situation, first priority give to the division, next priority give to the star. 4. Output is the 4. See here, 20 by 10, 2. Okay, 2 star 2, 4. So for suppose I reverse this one. Now in this situation, first priority give to the star, next priority give to the division, next plus 100. See, a star b 200 by 2 is the value will be displayed 100. Why? Comparing to these two, which one comes first, that priority will be come first. So if you give first division is the first priority. If you give star first, star will becomes first priority. So next we are discussing about object data type. How to declare a object data type. See here, object. Okay, I take it as O1, O2, O3, O4 and O5. See here I give object is always expecting, it is accepted numeric data type, and it is accepting, okay, character data type, and it is expecting, see, I will give this one. This value is a double value, so it doesn't give any D here, and without D it is accepted. Now O4 is equal to, see here, O4 I give some F. Okay, this will be considered as a floating value. Okay, next O5 I will give you some string. Okay, here I give some name DURGASOFT. Okay, next, see, object is the accepting any type of the data. Object is accepting any type of data. It is called universal data type. It is called universal data type. So why? Because it is accepting any type of data. That object class available in the object data type is available in the object class. So that object is called class is also called as a universal class. That object is class is also called as a universal class, because object variable object data type is available in the object class. Object data type is available in the object class. So finally, this is the data types. How to declare, you will understand. So